Are you also frustrated because your phone keeps switching from 5G to 4G? Don't worry, I got a solution. Hi guys, my name is Jarvis. In this video, I'm going to show you how to force 5G on your Android phone to make sure your phone sticks to the 5G network. But before we begin, just a quick note. This video is specifically for the devices that are 5G enabled Android phones. So if your phone doesn't support 5G, this method won't work for you. If you have got a 5G device, let's get started. First thing first, let me show you which device I'm using. So let me open settings and let's go to the about phone, and here you will see I'm using Pixel 6a which is running on Android 14. And guys, I have installed a custom ROM on my device, but that doesn't affect this method. The procedure to force 5G on Android phone is same for all the Android devices. First, let's make sure your phone supports 5G. So open phone settings, head over to networks and internet, and then select internet. And here click on setting icon next to Geo. Your device setting might be different, so navigate through your settings and look for the preferred network type option. And as you can see, I have two options, 4G and 5G. This is common in Pixel and Moto devices, where you can directly select 5G or 4G. But on the other brands like Samsung, Vivo, Poco and Oppo, you might see an auto connect option instead of specific 4G and 5G choices. Let me show you how this looks on some of these brands. So this is Samsung, Oppo and this is Vivo. As you can see, all these devices have auto connect option instead of separate 4G or 5G. And I have made a separate video specifically for the Samsung devices, which you can watch by clicking it here. And now let's switch to 4G, and you will see my device will switch to 4G in few seconds. As you can see, 4G network. If your device doesn't have the option to select 4G or 5G directly, let's switch to 5G forcefully. So guys, we have two options to do this. If your device has a Google Dialer app, follow this method. If not, then skip to the given timestamp. So guys, by default Google Dialer app is installed on my device, as you can see here. Now to force 5G on your device, we need to access a hidden menu that's not visible in the usual settings. Open your phone dialer and enter this code: *#4636#*#. It will open a secret menu where we can tweak some network settings. Now here, tap on phone information and select your SIM card in phone index. If your 5G SIM is in SIM 1, then select index 0, else select index 1. Now scroll down until you see option for set preferred network type and tap on it. Here you will see multiple options like LTE only, GSM auto, WCMA preferred and more. What we are interested is in NR only. NR stands for New Radio, which is the technical term for 5G. Once you click on this, your device will shift to 5G network. Let's click on NR only. Once you have selected the preferred network type, you should see a network indicator switch to 5G. Now your device will stick to 5G as long as it's available without switching back to 4G. However, this might cause you to lose connection in areas with no 5G networks. So after few seconds, as you can see, my device is forced to 5G networks. Guys, keep in mind, if 5G connection isn't good in your area, I recommend choosing NR/LTE. This setting prioritizes 5G but will fall back to 4G when 5G is unavailable. Let's also confirm this change in the setting to make sure everything is set up correctly. So go back to the phone settings and open network preferred type. See guys, by default your phone might not have a 5G only option, but after making this change, you can see 5G is now logged in. And there you have it. Your phone is now logged into your 5G network, ensuring you the best possible speed whenever 5G is available. So by this way, we can force 5G on any Android device. Now if Google Dialer app is not installed on a device, in this case we will need to install a third-party app to access the same hidden settings. So open the Play Store and search for Net Monitor. And here download this app, Net Monitor: Wi-Fi. App is now installed. Let's open it and follow the prompt and keep pressing next. Now we have to give phone and location permission for the app to function correctly. After granting this necessary permission, we will able to access network setting as we need. Now you will see Net Monitor app provide information about your cellular signal strength and detail like operator is Geo, type is 5G and state of the network. This app also gives detail on 2G, 3G, 4G and 5G network. But we are here to force 5G Android phone. So click on that blue bottom dialog and it will open the service menu. And here click on phone info. You will find a similar option to what we saw with the Google dialer method. First select your SIM card from the select phone index. If your 5G SIM is in slot 1, then select phone 0, else select phone 1. Now look for the option set preferred network type. Once you find it, you will see multiple options like LTE only, GSM Auto, GSM plus WCDM and many others. But we are interested in NR only. As I told you, NR stands for new radio, which is the technical term for 5G. So when you select this, your device will shift to 5G network. So click on NR only. While it is taking a moment to switch, let me mention some important things. If you are in the area where 5G network is weak, you might experience an issue like call drops or slow data speed. In such cases, it might be better to stick to 4G for stable connection. But if you are in a strong 5G area, switching back to 5G should give you the best performance. So as you can see, my device is successfully switched back to 5G with our method. And guys, even if you uninstall this app, your phone will stay on the preferred setting. This means you can enjoy your 5G connection without worrying about reverting to 4G, even if you decide to remove the app later. Just a quick head up, if you restart your device, you will need to follow the same step again to switch back to 5G. This happened because Android reset network settings after a reboot. And one more thing guys, if you are traveling, then I recommend you to switch back to auto connect option. If you stick to 5G only, you might experience signal issues or lose connection in areas where 5G network coverage is weak. So that's how you can force 5G on your Android device. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and sharing it with your friends. And subscribe for more tech like this. If you have got any question, feel free to leave in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. This is Jarvis signing off.